Let's do some 10-base multiplication. That means there'll be a 1 digit in the leftmost column and another digit in the rightmost column. Let's start out with 13. 13 times, let's say 12. That's a good place to start out. So we ask ourselves this question. How much is 13 plus 2? And the answer is 15. Now, I've got ones in the left column that represents tens. So I'm going to multiply this by 10, and I get 150. Next, I'm going to take the next column, 3 times 2, and that's 6. I'll put the answer there, and add, and I get 156, and that is your answer. Can we check that? Sure can. 13 times 12 equals 156, and there it is. What do you know? Can we do that again? Sure can. Let's make another number. How about 14? 14 times, 13. That's a good number. So, what do we do again? We take 14 and we add 3 to that, and we get 17. Now these are ones in the leftmost column, so this is times 10. It's base 10. 17 times 10 equals 170. Next, we go to the rightmost column and multiply. 4 times 3 is what? 4 times 3 is, make that look nicer, 12. And the answer is 182. Really? It's that easy? Yep. It's that easy. Let's check. Find out. 14 times 13. 14 times 13. And the calculator tells us, whoops, I hit that twice. All right. 14 times 13, I'll try and be careful, equals 182. Amazing. Just amazing. 182. Well, let's do it again. We're doing such a great job. Let's do 15 times 15. Well, I know this because it ends in a 5. I know the answer to this already. The answer to this already is, because this adds up to 10, and these are two sames, I can very easily figure this out. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And multiply these two, 225. That's going to be my answer. Now, let's see if this method works with these. We know the answer already. Well, 15 plus 5 is what? 20. 20 times 10 equals 200. And then 5 times 5 is 25, and we get 225. Exactly the other answer. This corroborates the other answer. And the other answer corroborates this answer. And here's our answer. 225. Oh, this is so much fun. Let's do another number. How about 16s? How about 16 times 11? That's good. I'd like to see that. I think the answer to this is 176. I think. Well, let's find out. So first we do 16 plus 1. We get what? 17. Yes? Yeah, 17. 16 plus 1 is 17. times 10 yields 170. 6 times 1 is 6. 176. Ha! It worked. Let's check it. 16 times 11. 6 times 11 equals 176. And bingo, we got the answer. 176. 176. Huh. What do you know? There was another way to do that, by the way. 16 times 11. Let's do the other way, just for fun, just for fun. We'll dedicate a separate lesson to this only. So 16 times 11. 16 times 11. Whenever you multiply something times 11 like this, two-digit numbers, this is what you do. You take digit number 1. You put it here. You take digit number 2. You put it over here. Leave space in the middle. And then ask yourself the question, how much is 1 plus 6? Answer is 7. Huh. And now you write the answer right there. And that's the answer, 176. Amazing. Can you substantiate that? Sure can. Here we go. 11 times 16 equals 176. Spectacular. Does that always work with 11s like that? Sure does. Let's do another one, just for fun. 11 times, I don't know, 14. So, what do? We take the 4, put it here. We take the 1, we put it here. 1 plus 4 is 5. And the answer is 154. Huh, let's see if that's true. 11. Where's the 1? There it is. 11 times 14 equals, dun, 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 154. That is amazing. Well, that's another way to do it. With 11s. That works with 11s. Alright, let's go back to what we were doing before. I get carried away. I start getting excited about all this stuff. Alright, let's do 16. 16 times 10? No, that's too easy. 16 times 12? Alright, 16 times 12. Alright. What do we know? 16 plus 2 is what? 18. 18 times 10 is 180. 6 times 2 is 12. And we've got 192. Wow. How about 16 times 14? 16 plus 4 is 20. Times 10 is 200. 6 times 4 is 24. 224. We need corroboration, please. Okay. Let's do 16 times 12 first. Whoa. What did I screw up those? That looks ugly. Okay, 16 times 12. Let's do that one first. 16 times 12 equals 192. And we got it. Ba-boom. Next one. 16 times 14. Cleared this off. 16 times 14 equals 224. Yes, that's what we get. 224. We are bad. Bad to the bone. Da 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 dum 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 dum. Alright, I'll stop. Alright, so that's about it. I think that's an amazing job. So, well, my screen disappeared that I wanted you to see. Ah, here it is. That's it for now. So long from Gary D777, also known as Hoboken Gare. Bye-bye now.